Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, as you know, our Mr. Shaw's fish reading stories reading is completed. So now we will do its fair work. Today, for fair work, you have to take your pencil and take your fair copy. First, you have to maintain your page. Make margin line both sides in your copy and make a line at the center. Mention today's date, story told, Mr. Shaw's fish. Word synonym. Our first word is starving. Synonym very hungry. Surprised. Synonym amazed. Third word is knuckles. Synonym finger joints. joints. Word explode. Synonym to burst. Word puzzle. Synonym confused. Turn your copy page. Make here margin line. Write question 1. What did Mr. Shaw like most of all? Put question mark at the end of question. Mr. Shaw को ज़्यादा क्या पसंद था? Answer. Mr. Shaw liked to eat fish. Put full stop at the end of answer. Mr. Shaw को खाने में fish पसंद थी ज़्यादा. Question 2. What did Sheena tell Mr. Shaw when he came home? Put question mark at the end of question. शीना ने क्या कहा मिस्टर शार्प को जब वो घर आया? Answer. Sheena told her husband that the naughty cat had eaten the fish. Put full stop at the end of answer. शीना ने क्या कहा? शीना ने अपने हस्बैंड को कहा naughty cat उसकी सारी fishes खा गई. Student, your today's homework is that you have to complete your work and make a story on fish in your own words. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.